Hi guys, today's video, let's see how to convert a Word file into a PDF without going into the internet with hustles. So without further delay, let's get started. You see, this is a Word file, so let's open that. Now as the Word file is opened, we have our document here. Now to make it a PDF file, just open the Word and then click on File. Now under the file, if you want to save it, click on Save As. On the Save As, now click on your destination to save. So I'll click on desktop. Now the desktop, whilst it's here like this, so you have to come to the Save As type. So open that and then you select PDF. Here is PDF, so click on that and then you save. So once it's saved, now we can close this. Okay, automatically the file has been opened, which is a PDF format. And you can see here, let's go to our desktop to see the file. So this is the Word. Let's close this, and this is the file here, which is of the same name. And if we want, we can change the name to a different name. I'll go. So you open this, and this is the PDF file, and we now have our Word document as a PDF file. So that is how to convert your Word document to a PDF file. Guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video.